This fan looks to be dirty. Let's see what we're working with. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another banger video. Hey man, you already know how it is. Liking, commenting, and subscribing, because we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So if you want to see your boy make it to 2K, then subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share this video with your friends. Today, we're going to be cleaning a Holmes Blizzard. Let's get this off the wall. This fan was previously over there, but I recently changed everything, and I have to get a bigger screwdriver. Hope y'all are having an amazing day, by the way. Cause I sure am. Despite my asthma acting up for the past few days, maybe this might be a good time to, well, maybe cut back on or quit vaping. Yeah, for the past few days, my asthma's like been really acting up, and I need to find another screwdriver. Unless I can get that off. Wait. Oh. No, I need a screwdriver for that. Well, I guess I'll see y'all when I get a screwdriver. Found one. Oops. Might be getting another fan soon. I don't know which one to get. Looks like I might have to take that fully off the wall. And then I'll just put it back up when I'm done cleaning it. Please don't fall over. Okay, I'm just gonna set that right there. Okay, I have a pillow supporting the camera, so it shouldn't fall over. Alright, got it. Let's go to the living room and clean this baby. So, this is a older Holmes Blizzard fan, because the newer ones do not say Blizzard on it. They just say Holmes on it. But this is a older one. So, I'm going to go ahead and get the screwdriver from my room, and I'm going to go ahead and take out the screws and get to cleaning. Let's get it, y'all. Yes, sir, yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's take the thing off. Let's get this thing on too. There we go. Okay, now we gotta find out how to disassemble this. Oh. Speaking of disassembling, the screws are on the back of this. So, I was at my friend's house last night, and he had a really dirty, like it was an extremely dirty Lakewood box fan, and let me tell you, like, his house, it was like really dirty, and like, bro, that fan would have actually been a video to make. Alright, if I can get the screw out. Alright, like, dude, I should have taken a picture of that shit. If I did, I would have put that shit on your screen. But like, the fan was like turning brown, like that's how dirty it was. Like, holy fucking shit. His house was, like, dirty as hell. Now, I actually had beef with someone who had a messy room, but me and him, we're cool now. Like, we're really good buddies. But like this motherfucker. Holy shit, his house was dirty. Not to mention his house fucking reeked like cigarettes. Like, I'm not trying to diss, but still. Did the screw end up coming out or no? I don't think it, I think it did, I'm not sure. I'll get this one out now. His house didn't even have any ceiling fans. Like, I actually made a DXing video at his house. Like, I was able to get a bunch of stations at his house. I think I was receiving, like, almost all 7 stations. Alright, now, the front of this should come out. Not unless I have a screw in there I need to get out. Yep, there's a screw in there. And then I should be able to get this out. Alright, there's 3 screws. I'm able to get this other one out, or what? Nope, there's a screw I need to get out here. I swear I should be getting it out. Okay. Still in there? Yeah, it's still in there. There we go. Now I should be able to get the front off. Let's take this Goodwill sticker off while we're at it. Okay, I'm gonna pull this front end off if I can. Alright. Alright. Is there anything else I have to remove to get this out, or do I have to, like... So I don't want to break this, because this fan is rare. Well, I mean, it's not that rare. Like, they still make Blizzards, but this is a older one. Because like I said, like the newer ones, they don't say Blizzard on it. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's coming out. Okay, yeah, I don't need to take the stand off. So, let's talk about my next fan I'm gonna get. Well, I have a couple fans in mind. I'm either going to... oh shit, what do I want? Because if I do get another fan, I want to get something for the living room. So, my next fan is probably going to be... oh, okay, I got it off. Yeah, that's my next fan. The next fan's going to be I got it off. But yeah, I got the front end of the Blizzard off, so... yep, I guess now we can get to cleaning this. Alright, I'll see y'all when I get the cleaning supplies. Alright, y'all, I got the soap and I got the pot of water. Now, we're gonna go ahead and clean the blades. Let's get it, y'all. Well, not gonna lie, y'all, I might be quitting vaping, because right now, my asthma is acting up right now. Like, I feel like I might have to take my inhaler again, like bro, I took my inhaler, like, almost, like, 5 times today. I think I took it like 4 or 5 times. So, yeah. So, I guess I might make a video on me quitting vaping. Alright, let's go ahead and wipe these blades down. I'm like, oh, wipe me down. I was like, oh, wipe me down. It's a good song, by the way. Alright. Now we're gonna wipe this one down. So, yes. Let's talk about my next fan. Like I said, if I get a fan, I kind of want to get a fan for the living room. So, most likely, I'll end up purchasing my fan from, like, Walmart or something. I know Walmart fans aren't really good quality, but... I mean, hey, I got that Beyond Breeze at Menards for, like, under... I think I got it under, like, $25. And this sucker blows a lot of air. So, I might get one of those Lasco pedestal fans. The Lasco stand fans. That's the fan I might be getting for the living room. Or, I will probably... What's another fan I could get for the living room? Because I want to get a different fan than that Beyond Breeze. I do not want to get a box fan because I want to get one that oscillates. And I don't want a tower fan because they don't really blow that much air out. Just want to clean the motor a little bit. Oh damn, that's dusty. So yeah. And I want it to be about the same size as that one. But I am going to be getting a ceiling fan for my room. So, the ceiling fan for my room is going to be... I'm either going to be getting a Harbor Breeze View, which is a 3-blade fan. It has a globe. I'll put a picture of the fan on your screen. I will probably either be getting that or a turn of the century 44-inch Minerva. And I think the Harbor Breeze is also 44 inches, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, now we're just wiping down this grill. Yeah, I can tell this fan has not been cleaned. Is that bad? No, it's not. Alright. Now I'm gonna wipe the back of this down. Ooh. Wipe that down too. I'm also gonna get rid of the Goodwill sticker on this fan. Oh shoot, I might actually say the model of this fan. The model is HANF7 6BLZ. Yeah, there we go. That's the model of the fan. So yeah, the fan is pretty much cleaned. Wasn't really that dirty. It just needed a little cleaning. The dirtiest fan I cleaned was that Lasco 3733. But boy, if I actually got to clean my friend's box fan, oh boy, that video would be... It would be quite a video. So yeah. what new has been happening with me lately? Well, I'm gonna be going to more grad parties this weekend. I think I got like 3 or 4 of them to go to. Because last weekend, I went to 5 of them. And you know, I was just like fucking party hopping. And I even ended up bringing my dog to a few of the parties, so I might do that again. So this one guy, right, I asked, yo, you should let me come to your grad party, and he said no. So you know what I said? I said, whatever, bro. I'm gonna go see some girls. And he just, like, sent a crying emoji. Well, I mean, hey, if you don't invite me to your grad party, I'll just drift out to my huz instead. And a lot of the grad parties I went to, a lot of people actually posted their address on their Insta. I mean, don't worry, y'all. I did the same thing, too, so... Alright, now we're just screwing this thing in. So yeah, if you want to see a video of me, like, quitting smoking and vaping, I could do that for y'all. I think that might actually be the next video. I might actually quit vaping in the next video. But if I actually do quit, like, I actually have to commit to it, though. You know? Plus, my Instagram feed has been, like, full of people, like, smoking and vaping, and honestly, I might just unfollow a lot of those people. Because honestly, I'm really trying to quit. I've been smoking for, like, the past, like, 3 months now, and I think it's kind of starting to get to me now. Because back in 2023 when I smoked, like, it wasn't messing with my asthma, but, like, lately, like, the allergies have been, like, really bad lately, and, you know, plus, I don't know if something at my friend's house is, like, triggering my asthma, because, like, that house, like, smelled so weird. Like, he even had mice as pets, which is, like, fucking disgusting. I mean, no hate to people who have mice as pets, but, I mean, come on now. Alright. So now we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. Is it on 0? Yeah, it's on 0. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and plug this in 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir, you know what I'm saying, Alright, let's go ahead and put this thing on level 1. This kind of sounds a lot like the Holmes twin window fan I had. It has a distinct sound to it. It actually sounds really good. Oh yeah. Let's move it up to high. Oops, that's off. That's really not much of a difference, actually. No, I noticed a little bit of a difference on high. So yeah. If you want the video of me quitting smoking, I'll do it. I'll make a video of me quitting smoking, and I'll do my journey through... Let's do a journey through 30 days. Nah. Yeah, let's do a 30-day journey of me quitting smoking. Quitting vaping. Now, honestly, I'm probably gonna, like, cold turkey this, so... Guys, wish me luck, because I'm going to go through my first ever addiction. Alright, let's go ahead and get this fan back to where it was, and that was on my wall. if I don't do a 30-day video, I'll just do like a week video, like 1 week without smoking. I'll film a video every single day for 7 days of me going through the journey of quitting smoking. So let's go ahead and get the light on now. Oh fuck, I need to plug this in. The battery on this phone's too low. Okay. Fuck. The battery's too low, so we'll have to grab one of these. Hope y'all can see. Can y'all see? Alright, I guess I'll just do this. I'll put the light like where the fan is. Now I'm just going to get this back on the wall. If I can. You know what, I might just sell the vape to one of my friends. Because honestly, like I said, I am trying to quit. I kind of need to make some money here. So I can go buy another fan. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Plug it in. Okay. The fan is now back on the wall. Go and turn it on now. Fuck. Gotta tighten this in more. There we go. This fan's being held in by like one screw, so obviously this is not the most sturdy way to hold the Blizzard. Ah, shit. Like, usually there's like another screw there. I think I have my pack of screws somewhere. Are they like over here? Because I know I got some blinds like last week, and I know... No, I think I got the blinds this week, and I have the screws somewhere. They're not over here. Not over here. I'll have to find them. Is there a screw under here? No. Okay. I'll worry about it later. It's not like it's gonna fall off anyway. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out until then.